Welcome to Coco's Forest Adventure. Tonight's story, Koko and Boingy's Eternal Splash.
欢迎来到 Koko 的森林冒险。今晚的故事叫做 Koko 和笨笨的永恒水花。
Are you ready? Let's begin. The forest was quiet this morning.
Koko stretched and looked outside.
The sky was painted in soft orange light.
Birds were singing their morning songs.
Boingy the frog came running over.
Koko, I need your help, said Boingy.
Koko put down her acorn and listened.
What happened? Asked Koko gently.
The other animals were playing together.
Boingy stood far away, watching them.
He wished he could join the fun.
But what if they do not want me?
Koko walked over to Boingy.
Hey! Come play with us, said Koko.
Boingy hesitated for a moment.
Are you sure? Asked Boingy softly.
So they walked into the forest together.
Stay close to me, said Koko.
The path was long, but they kept going.
Birds flew above them, singing softly.
Koko picked a small yellow flower.
This is for you, she said to Boingy.
Boingy started to feel a little better.
You always know how to help, said Boingy.
They stopped to rest by a big rock.
Koko sat down and looked at the sky.
We are almost there, said Koko. But Boingy still had a question.
Koko, what if I am not good enough?
Koko took both of Boingy's hands.
You are always good enough for me.
Boingy felt tears in his eyes.
But this time, they were happy tears.
The wind blew softly through the leaves.
Koko looked at Boingy and smiled.
Are you ready? Asked Koko.
I am ready, said Boingy bravely.
And then, it happened.
Boingy did it all by himself.
Koko clapped her tiny paws together.
You did it, Boingy, cheered Koko.
Boingy felt warm and proud inside.
I did not think I could do it.
But you did, said Koko. You really did.
Boingy hugged Koko so tight.
The whole forest seemed to celebrate. The other forest friends came running.
They had heard all about what happened.
You two are amazing, said a little bird.
Koko and Boingy laughed together.
The forest felt full of love tonight. Koko looked at Boingy one more time.
The forest remembers every friend forever.
Boingy nodded slowly. It was true.
Some lessons you feel deep in your heart.
The forest wrapped them in gentle quiet. Let's learn our 3 words from today.
Word 1, splash.
Boingy learned what splash means today.
Word 2, laugh.
In the forest, Boingy felt laugh.
Word 3, joy.
In the forest, Boingy felt joy. Great job, little friends.
You learned 3 new words today.
The forest remembers every friend forever.
Good night, everyone.
Sweet dreams, little friends. If you enjoyed the story, please like and subscribe.
晚安，小朋友。喜欢今天的故事吗？请按赞订阅我们的频道。
New stories every week. See you next time.